Students, whatever homework is given to you, you have to submit it on the very next day between 8 am to 1 pm to the given WhatsApp number, and it is compulsory to submit your homework as your attendance will be marked on the basis of your submission.
Hello students, how are you all? Today we will start our lesson number 5, Agriculture. But before starting the lesson, first we will understand its new words. So let's start. Number 1, Agriculture. Agri, Agri, Culture. Culture. Agriculture is an activity of growing crops, fruits, vegetables, flowers and rearing of livestock. एग्रीकल्चर एक ऐसी एक्टिविटी होती है जिसमें हम क्रॉप्स यानी फसलें उगाते हैं, फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल्स, फ्लावर्स और लाइवस्टॉक यानी कैटल इन सबको पालते हैं, जिसे हिंदी में कृषि कहा जाता है. नंबर 2, हॉर्टिकल्चर. HORTI, हॉर्टी, CULTURE, culture. Horticulture is the art or practice of garden cultivation and management. Horticulture का मतलब होता है कि एक गार्डन को उगाना अच्छी तरीके से और उसका मैनेज करना, जिसे हिंदी में बागवानी कहते हैं. नंबर 3, लाइवस्टॉक. LIVE, live, STOCK, stock. Animals such as cattle and sheep which are kept on a farm are referred to as livestock. Cattles और sheep जिन्हें हम फार्म पे यानी हमारी खेती वाली जगह पे रखते हैं, उन्हें livestock कहते हैं. नंबर 4, फिशिंग. FISH, fish, INGA, fishing. Fishing is the activity of catching fish. Fishing का मतलब होता है मछली पकड़ना. नंबर 5, लाइवलीहुड. LIVE, live, LIVHOOD, hood. Livelihood is a means of securing the necessities of life. Livelihood का मतलब होता है रोजी रोटी. नंबर 6, क्रॉप्स. CROPS, crops. Crops are living plants grown by farmers such as grain, vegetables or fruits. क्रॉप्स का मतलब होता है फसलें. नंबर 7, रबी क्रॉप्स. RABI, रबी, CROPS, क्रॉप्स. क्रॉप्स दैट आर सोन इन विंटर. रबी क्रॉप्स ऐसी क्रॉप्स होती है जिन्हें सर्दियों के मौसम में उगाया जाता है. नंबर 8, खरीफ क्रॉप्स. KHARIF, खरीफ, CROPS, क्रॉप्स. क्रॉप्स दैट आर ग्रोन विद द अराइवल ऑफ मानसून. ऐसी फसलें जिन्हें बारिश के मौसम आने के बाद उगाया जाता है. नंबर 9, फाइबर क्रॉप. FIBRE, फाइबर, CROP, क्रॉप. क्रॉप्स दैट आर ग्रोन फॉर देयर फाइबर्स. ऐसे क्रॉप जिन्हें हम उनके फाइबर के लिए उगाते हैं, जैसे कि जूट और कॉटन. नंबर 10, एक्सट्रैक्ट. EXTRACT, extract, means to remove or take out. एक्सट्रैक्ट का मतलब होता है किसी भी चीज में से कुछ निकालना. नंबर 11, बेवरेज. BEVERAGE, a drink other than water, मतलब पानी के अलावा जो भी हम पीते हैं, जैसे टी और कॉफी, ये सब क्या हो गए, बेवरेज. नंबर 12, कैटल. CATTLE, cattle. Cattle means a group of animals that includes cows, buffalo and bison that are often kept for their milk or meat. Cattle का मतलब होता है एक ऐसा एनिमल्स का ग्रुप जिसमें काव, बफेलो और बिसन होते हैं, जिन्हें हम उनके दूध के लिए या उनके मीट के लिए पालते हैं. नंबर 13, कमर्शियल. COMMERCIAL, commercial. Commercial means making or intended to make a profit. Commercial का मतलब होता है प्रॉफिट बनाना. नंबर 14, पिसिकल्चर. Piscicultura. Pisciculture means the controlled breeding and rearing of fish. Pisciculture का मतलब होता है मछली पालना. Number 15. Poultry. Poultry. Poultry means domestic fowls such as chickens, hens, ducks and geese. Poultry का मतलब होता है मुर्गी पालन. Now we will revise all new words. Number 1. Agriculture. Number 2. Horticulture. Number 3. Livestock. Number 4. Fishing. Number 5. Livelihood. Number 6. Crops. Number 7. Rabi crops. Number 8. Kharif crops. Number 9. Fiber crops. Number 10. Extract. Number 11. Beverage. Number 12. Cattle. Number 13. Commercial. Number 14. Pisciculture. Number 15. Poultry. Now students, you have to learn and write all these new words in your notebook. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.
Chapter 5. Agriculture. Agriculture is the most important occupation in our country. It also includes horticulture, livestock rearing and fishing. Nearly 2/3 of the working population of India earns its livelihood from agriculture. Our farmers provide us variety of food crops and also raw materials for many industries. They are able to do so because we have a variety of soil and favorable climatic conditions which help in the growth of different types of crops. Indian farmers grow two major types of crops, Rabi crops and Kharif crops. Kharif crops like rice, maize, millets, cotton, jute, etc. are grown with the arrival of monsoon. On the other hand, Rabi crops like wheat, gram, mustard, pulses, etc. are grown in winter. Based on their usage, crops in India are mainly of two types, food crops and cash crops. Food crops. Rice is the most important food crop. It grows in hot and wet climate with heavy rainfall. Assam, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Punjab and Haryana are the major rice-producing states. India is the second largest producer of rice after China. Wheat is the second most food crop of India. It grows well in cool and dry conditions. Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat and Madhya Pradesh are the major wheat-producing states. Millets or coarse grains include jowar, bajra, ragi. They are generally grown in highly dry regions. Haryana, Gujarat, Karnataka, Rajasthan, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh are the chief producers of millets. India is the world's largest producer and consumer of pulses. Pulses are grown in almost every part of India. They include grams, beans, peas, moong, arhar, urad, etc. Cash crops. Cash crops are grown for selling in the market. The main cash crops are sugarcane, oilseeds, tea, coffee, spices, cotton, jute and rubber. Sugarcane is the most important among the cash crops. It belongs to bamboo family of plants. It is used for making jaggery and sugar. India is the second largest producer of sugarcane in the world. Uttar Pradesh is the leading producer of the crop, followed by Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Tamil Nadu and Punjab. Jute is the fiber crop of India. It is used for making bags and carpets. The jute plant grows well in West Bengal, Bihar, Assam and Odisha. Oilseeds like mustard, groundnut, coconut, sunflower, sesame and many more are grown in different parts of the country. The oil extracted from these oilseeds is called vegetable oil. It is used a lot in Indian cooking. Oilseeds are grown in Punjab, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Karnataka. Cotton is also a fiber crop, which is used for making cloth. It grows well in Gujarat, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Tea and coffee are the important beverage crops of India. Tea grows well in a hot and wet climate.
It is mainly grown in the Nilgiri Hills in the south and Assam and Darjeeling in the east.
On the other hand, coffee is grown in Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Spices which include cardamom, clove, black pepper, chilies, cinnamon, turmeric, etc. require heavy rainfall. They are grown in Kerala and Karnataka. Fruits and vegetables are grown in nearly every part of the country. Livestock rearing. Cows and bullocks are called cattle. Cattle rearing is done to increase the production of milk in the country. Today, India is the largest producer of milk in the world. Bullocks are used to plow fields and draw water from wells. We get wool from the hair of sheep and camels. The skin of various animals is used to make leather goods. Camels are useful in deserts and elephants are tamed to work in forests. India has the largest number of cattle in the world. Fish is another source of food for us. Cultivation of fish for commercial purpose is also being done in artificial ponds, which is called pisciculture. Poultry farming is also done on a large scale in our country. It involves rearing of hens, ducks and geese for their eggs and meat. Now I know. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people living in villages. Based on seasons, crops may be rabi crops or kharif crops. Rice, wheat, maize, millets and pulses are the main food crops grown in India. Sugarcane, jute, oilseeds, cotton, tea, coffee, spices are the main cash crops grown. Livestock rearing means breeding and bringing up farm animals.